Hello. Now my camera is working.
Okay, Doctor. You can start presenting now, I think.
Okay. All right. I have to
Yep.
finish. Hello everyone. I'm Chanvit. I'm president of AI Entrepreneur Association of Thailand. We call AI. And so probably we need to know each other before go to the slide. Uh, So I want to know so who is working on the IT industry, IT business, right? And and who not, who working like in management level or something. You can you chat and show some data? I wanna understand the audience or management level or engineering level, something. And but I'm open the slide. Just 1 minute. Okay. So very a bit noise, and I'm at the Starbucks now. Uh, Let me share the slide. Someone just respond. You can tell who is like a have uh, IT background or now you are like a, where are you? First of all, in Thailand or in the country. I want to do the audience now. So mainly, I think from Thailand. I think I observed from the name. You should have a slide. Okay, now I share slide. Okay. So I think today discussion probably the time is pretty limited, and I want to overview for the idea that how to apply AI for business, and also I want to mention about the technology trend and skill required in the future. And then if someone have a question, can you please write down and discussion later on. So this idea that we can describe the AI. People talk about AI. AI is about the area that we try to develop artificial machine. This is the aim of artificial intelligence. So that means the machine now we probably it's called computing machine, not a computer, right? We try to make computer more intelligent. That is area of AI, and it's pretty long time that we develop AI. More than 7 years, 17 years, start from 1950. That the year we just start having computer, and right now it's come to the age of generative AI that is pretty amazing compared to other AI. But in different timeline, we have different technology. For example, in 1980, we have machine learning to analyze the structure data, right? And then about 2010, we have deep learning technology. It's very good at analyzing unstructured data. For example, image, voice, long text. And now we have the new technology called generative AI that pretty change the way people use AI compared to many years ago. And I want to show the speed up AI development that after 2020, AI is pretty significant develop, in many areas. And we try to build AI more smart, smarter. And the aim of AI development in this during this period, we wanna develop AGI, artificial general intelligence, AI smart. It really human brain, human intelligence. And after that, about 2030, probably it could be like ASI, artificial super intelligence in that time. And for AI development for a long time, and we have applied to many industry. And for the research that AI can improve many issues to in the business. For example, it can increase the productivity using automation, and also it can improve decision making. It improve customer experience. It can help us to innovate the product and services, and also it can improve skill for our employee, our team. So we can summarize that AI can improve the business if you understand AI and you know which part of the business should be used. And the trend for AI driving business transformation, that people right now using AI and information processing technology in the business pretty high compared to other technology. And also we also use robotic automation system. This is the technology trend that people use right now. Because we have not so much time, we just summarize the trend that what type of AI people interesting now, and it's ready for using. Now I think it's really new and it worked very well in during this year. I think it's about virtual human technology that people talk a lot, and it's very complex for developing if we don't have generative AI. But now we have generative AI, so we can decide a digital assistant to work with our team. For example, this AI can help us to in Thai, right? But it's about debt collection. It's about debt collection. But it is because we decide this AI to help to collect the debt, that the result is pretty good. I think it's better than human performance actually. So I can learn how to communicate with people, to collect the debt. Right? And of course it can reduce the stress, reduce the cost of employee to collect. This is another idea. It's idea for logistic industry, that using AI for optimize the route, that try to minimize the fuel cost, and also maximize the utility of the business. That means we can decide that for the logistic system that the truck should be operate in the optimal route. This is the idea that we can apply AI to solve the complex system for route optimization, and also we can apply in other part of logistic system. How to stock stock the materials, something that we can calculate using AI. That is work with really well. And in the factory, AI paid the major benefit for inventory management. So it can use for demand forecasting and inventory optimal management. But we can use machine learning actually to predict the operation, and also the process optimization and predictive maintenance is an area that people can apply AI to use it. Energy management, we can optimize the energy usage in the factory, and also we can manage the renewable energy, something that can work with the energy from the grid. But for detail, you can find out, and because the technology is not new, but it's a trend for using, because now we need to solve the problem that impact to the business. For dynamic pricing, using AI, I mean we can calculate the optimal price for the good, that which price we need to sell. Because if we do only one price, we will lose the opportunity. For example, if the lack of demand, we can reduce the price to capture the demand. And when we have the large demand, we can increase the price to maximize the profit. And this is the area that actually I'm working on. It's about fraud detection. For example, in the retail, that there are many fraud in the business, and from the stats show that the fraud is not only from the customer, the fraud is from employee also. We call internal threat that is significant. So for this example, we use the camera data, real-time stream from CCTV, and we use AI to analyze the behavior of the cashier, that how they work, and the process that they work is suitable or not. They give the receipt to the customer, and they scan all the goods that people the customer require. That is the idea that we use the CCTV and AI to reduce the fraud in retail. Another idea that we can use AI to improve RPA. RPA is robotic process automation. That pretty old technology, but the classic RPA is about the automation, the software automation that can work for our staff. But RPA plus AI can enhance significantly efficiency for the document process. And this is a trend for using uh, AI, to the business. Now we talk pretty much about agentic AI, right? What is agentic AI? Agentic AI means AI that works like agent, and it can support our business directly. But we need to design that AI to work in specific tasks. Like we can design AI to work for IT, right? That means we need to you know teach that AI, right? And feed some data that AI can learn for working in the IT department. It can generate the email account, can set the new laptop, something, set new software for staff. That's the idea. We can set AI to any department for HR, for employee management, for other support, marketing also. Agentic AI will different from LLM that we use right now. We use ChatGPT, Gemini, we use LM for asking some questions, right? And we just ask, and the model will respond our uh, data that it generates. But for HTTI, when we command the AI can plan the tasks, and execute the tasks for us. And it can reflect, evaluate, suggest, and then execute again. This is the loop of HTTI operation. But now it's pretty early for using in the business because AI require large language model. The large language model still expensive now, and the error of LM is pretty high. I mean, the stability of the LM is still not good in this time. That means we need to wait. I think about next 1 or 2 years that LM can be more stable and cheaper. HTTI will be widely used in the organization. And for the future, I think you don't worry because advanced AI will help us a lot. For example, it can live with us. If the humanoid will come for sure, and humanoid will be really smart because it's combined large language model, large vision model, and many advanced model in the humanoid, and it can interact with human. It can live with human. That means and many large company, for example, NVIDIA try to develop we call physical AI. Physical AI means AI that can learn data from real world. Because large language model AI learn from digital data, you know, digital data, online data, that but physical AI, the AI try to learn data from real world, and it will understand, you know, other, specific data like human can learn. So there is an advancement of AI in the future. For the skill that is probably required in the future, of course, employee almost every almost employee should have the new skill like AI skill, and how to use AI, how to develop our own AI, how to finish the task using AI. So this is a new skill that people need to learn now, because AI getting smarter and cheaper, and but it's still kind of tool to work with human now. So this is a new skill that people need to learn more new skill using AI properly. And also the what's an area that we should upskilling, we should we should upskilling hard skill and soft skill. For hard skill, we need to learn about data security, uh, ethical AI and automation, and also programming. And for the soft skill, you need to learn more about how to you know use our creativity, how to contact with our customer, how to treat our customer well, and also how to build leadership. It is soft skill required for the future. This skill required, of course, AI and big data is really required. Creative thinking, resilience and flexibility, and agility, analytical thinking, leadership, and social influence. Okay, long life learning. So, by conclusion, I think AI is very smart and it apply to our business for sure. Almost business tasks can be used, can be applied using AI also. So, but for ourselves, we need to learn, self-learning. We need to manage ourselves also to learn new things. That is really important for the age of AI. For my time, I think I used just 25 minutes. But any question, if you have, if you have, you can ask and discussion. If you are Thai, you can follow our association also. You know, we have many seminars on AI. Our smartphone, our association is called AIEAT. AIEAT. That you can find a new update from the thread also. We have a new seminar on site seminar, meet up something that we can meet and create. All right, thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Chanwit, for sharing the insightful perspective on AI's role in business. Now let's hear from our second speakers, Mr. Sutipan Sutatnayutaya, who will discuss real-world applications of AI in business with example from industry practice and product innovations. Mr. Sutipan, please go ahead. The floor is yours. Thank
Okay,
you.
so thank you so much. Everybody hearing me okay? All good? Okay.
Yeah, all good, but quite clear. Thank you.
All right. Okay, thank you. Okay, so let's first, before we start, let me talk a little bit about myself. Who am I? So I've been in the tech business for 17 years, but before that, I was in the field of marketing research for the past 30 years. So throughout my career, I've started out as a marketing researcher, and then I disrupt myself and build a tech firm that later on adopt the AI technology and then start working very deep in an area that is called customer experience. So throughout my careers, I met with lots of business leaders across various industries, and I can assure you that in all the industry that I've engaged to, AI is always one of the hot topic in. So the question is, how can AI be used in business? I think is the question that is very outdated now. The question is, what would be the limit of the AI in the business? That's the new discussion that start to popping up. To what ends, to what limitations we going to deploy AI, and to what portion we are going to let the human retain the work. That I think that's pretty much the area that is pretty hot right now from where I'm working on. But come back to my expertise, which is in the area of customer experience. So before I'm getting to all the tech stuff, let me first walk you through what is customer experience and why it is so important to businesses. If actually all the business that have customer, which all business are, they all invest in one form of customer experience. You might have heard of contact center. So that's an entity exists to engage in customer experience. When you go out in a shopping mall, you see store staff engaging you, treating you, trying to sell you stuff. Those are all customer experience. The customer experience is a perception of interactions between the customer and the brand. And why? Company bother with customer experience. The chart you see is the percentage of the price premium that the brand can charge more than competitors if the customer experience is good. Ask yourself whether now are you always buying the cheapest thing in the market? Or are you paying, actually you know that you're not paying the cheapest, but it makes you feel good. That's the customer experience. Customer
Sorry,
experience, yeah.
You
don't see the screen?
Yeah, we haven't seen your screen.
I see, okay. All right.
Sorry for that.
Do you see my screen now?
Yeah, it's showing up. Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Okay. So this is, I'm just talking about myself, so I'm gonna move on now. So the customer experience, this is where I was talking about the percentage you see on the screen is the percentage. That's the price premium the brand can have if they have better customer experience, better than competitors. This is a study done by PwC on a global scale, right? So it's a pretty significant study. So in a nutshell, why company invested in customer experience? Because one, right now, customer or consumers choose brand based on customer experience, not just pure product anymore, not just pure service, or not just pure price anymore, but on the customer experience. Ask yourself, how many brands have you stopped using in the past maybe 2 years because you had bad experience with them? That's the impact why brand invest in customer experience. Customer experience is also something that the brand create that loyal customer. Customers who loyal to the brand tend to create it from a good customer experience, and price premium, revenue, more money is why brand invested in customer experience. So what drives customer experience? Customer experience mainly drives through three things: success, effort, and emotion. Success, let's say if you want to come pay your bill, the fact that you can pay your bill, that's the success. But if you can pay your bill very conveniently, you don't spend any time waiting in the queue. They have like a self-service channel that you can pay your bill right away. That's the effort in the customer experience. The staff there greet you with smile. They treat you very kindly. They even bring you water while you wait in the line. That's the emotion part of the customer experience. So these are the three factors that drive customer experience. And as you can see, the technology today can play impact on all three aspects of customer experience. And customer experience is varies from one touch point to another. We might have some feeling about a brand when we were at their sales office, but our perception to them might change when we move to their service office. So the brand that want to manage the customer experience need to understand total customer journey and create and maintain their visibility throughout the customer journey. So come to the question of how AI today, we're not talking about the future, but we're talking about today, how AI play role today in a customer experience. So in a world of customer experience, all the retail, all the hotel, all the airline, these are all the industry that all impact by customer experience. The AI being adopted in three different ways. First, and the most common, which is behavior analytics. AI right now is being used extensively to analyze and predict behavior of the customer. I will show you examples of how AI is being used to analyze and predict the customer behavior. So that's the first area. The second area is interaction enabler. Interaction enabler meaning that the AI create a new way the business or the brand can react, can engage with the customer. How many of you using the like Amazon, I think I forgot the name now, that voice device that they have at home. So some of the brand you can make purchase order through the unit at home, right? So today we will see some example of the way that this AI enable how consumer can interact with the brand. And I think the most recent adoption of the AI in the customer experience, and probably today the second most popular, is a co-pilot. How many of you uses Netflix at home? I think most of us probably have Netflix or maybe one of the streaming services, right? Have you ever wondered how Netflix provide you with recommendation, provide you with, like they bring up, you see the screen here, right? When I move my mouse, you also see, correct? So you see here, all these recommendation is the work of AI that analyze and recommend the relevant metadata to your past behavior. These are being done in near real time. So it's not just you, but the people, other people in other household will be in a different part of the world who has similar taste of watching the content like you. Netflix group them in cohort and then analyze the data and push the recommendation to you near real time. If you really step back and take a look at the Netflix screen from a technical point of view, you will see all these data points that's being utilized and displayed to you right now. So you can see that this is how the brand is using the AI to actually learn the behavior of its customer. In some local brand like Jubilee Diamond in Thailand, in some of their store, they had the camera to analyze. You see here, this person labeled as staff, these two people labeled as customer. So the brand actually monitor and observe which counter is the hot zone, which counter is the cold zone, whether the staff abandon the station and they alert to the management and the brand able to learn about the traffic, about the staff behavior, about the customer behavior, how they shop, how many minutes they spend time at each particular counter. So they know which good attract people, which good not attracting people. These are the example of the AI being used in the business, in the CX, in the area of behavior analytics. The previous speaker already mentioned about the coming of the, like in artificial human robot. We can't avoid that. You see, we will see more, and when I play the sound playing as well. Do you also hear the sound video?
The sound didn't come through.
Didn't come through. So how do I
Yep.
fix that? Okay, never mind. We don't need that. So this is example of the way. Imagine in the very near future, we're gonna see this kind of product in maybe household, in restaurant, in the in the service sector of the world. So the way the human will interact with the brand will be changed drastically. Like the robot you see here from Tesla, it features like so many new sensors, and all of these are controlled by AI. So imagine the future that we are going to live in. We will see that the service sector gonna be filled with similar of the product that can act, can feedback, can interface with the human, all thanks to the power of the AI. So this is the future that we are living in. The example you see here, you see how delicate the technology had already become. So this is what will likely happen in a very, very near future. And brands spend money to talk about, to like try to introduce this thing. I'll have to fix the sound for the next example. Let me fix the sound. Do I include the sound as well? Can you hear the sound this time?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right. Okay. Thank you. So watch this little clip and I will tell you what's happening.
สวัสดีค่ะคุณณัฐพงศ์โทรมาจากบริษัทยูบิลี่ไดมอนด์นะคะขอขอบคุณที่ไว้ใจเลือกใช้เครื่องประดับของเราค่ะขอสอบถามความประทับใจการบริการของเราสั้นๆไม่เกิน1 นาทีได้ไหมคะ
ได้ครับ
ขออนุญาตสอบถามนะคะเครื่องประดับที่คุณณัฐพงศ์ที่เพิ่งซื้อไปให้ความประทับใจในประสบการณ์ที่ทางแบรนด์ยูบิลี่ไดมอนด์มอบให้มากแค่ไหนคะเต็ม10คือประทับใจที่สุด0คือไม่ประทับใจเลยคุณณัฐพงศ์ให้กี่คะแนนดีคะ
บริการเมื่อกี้แย่มากเลยครับผมซื้อไปแล้วพนักงานแบบไม่มีมารยาทเลย
ต้องขออภัยคุณณัฐพงศ์จริงๆนะคะที่ได้รับประสบการณ์ไม่ดีจากการบริการของพนักงานคุณณัฐพงศ์ยินดีให้เราติดต่อกลับเพื่อแก้ปัญหาที่คุณลูกค้าแจ้งได้ไหมคะนอกจากเรื่องที่เล่าให้ฟังคุณณัฐพงศ์มีอะไรที่อยากแนะนำให้กับทางยูบิลี่ไดมอนด์พัฒนาอีกบ้างคะ
แล้วรู้ได้ไงว่าผมซื้อที่สาขาไหนครับ
This interview, the lady is not human. That lady is a complete pure AI. See, what you just saw is one of our product. where it's make an outbound call to ask for customer feedback after purchase. The AI was instructed to ask the satisfaction score, right? And then ask for suggestion. And as you can see that the customer didn't reply in the score, but the customer replied something else. But the AI today is able to respond in real time to the customer. So this is a new way that, the brand can interact with the customer. They can make thousands of happy birthday call, outbound call to the customer simultaneously without hiring even one agent. This is already happening. Okay, this is not the future. So you will see this is the new way that the AI enable the brand to interact with that matter. The co-pilot is very simple. There are in contact center, there are so much help system that the customer, that the brand are using right now. When the agent making a call, there's like a prompt on the side. The AI provide a real-time suggestion to the agent that is happening in the contact center. You can see here, there's several brand right now with a real-time translation class that you can wear. And when you hear people speak in another language, the AI just keep translating and even give you the karaoke kind of response so that you can pronounce and answer back. The extent that the AI has to the customer experience area, the domain I am working in, is quite tremendous. In the past 3 years, there are so much change in our industry that if we can't keep up, you're gonna be missing the trend for sure. And for customer experience management, this is the area where the brand attempts to measure and control what is going on within their customer experience. Since customer experience is how customers think towards the interaction, what brands commonly do is that they ask for customer feedback. The AI, let me show you this example. You see, when customer provide feedback to the brand, right now, okay, let me analyze it real time. Right now, this is what AI is telling the brand. From this particular statement, if you're a foreigner, definitely any language will be automatically translated. So regardless of how many countries you operate, you understand in real time what is going on with the brand. And the AI has already analyzed what's the business impact from this particular comment from the customer. Like this particular comment, let's spend time reading a little bit, or let's read the English part. Which seafood product that are no longer on promotion should be removed? Don't just leave there so customer complain because customer buying inconsistent price is not okay. I've informed the staff many times until I don't want to buy anymore. This statement, negative. The intention of the writing has intention to complain and want to quit using the service. There's a mention of this particular thing. There's a mention of product category, which is seafood. The customer mentioned that they are he or she is repeated customer. Also mention after visit and mention that this is a repeated issue. That particular comment contains 3 contents. These are the intention of each content and the category provided in each of the content. The severity of this case is very high, with a sign of quitting and that's a sign of communication breakdown, meaning that they keep telling the staff many times, but the staff still keep making the same mistake, right? And these are the impact to the business. So this is the extent that the AI is helping the business right now. All these things you see are already being used by the business. So what I'm doing, like helping all the brand like Big C, like Index Furniture, like Bangkok Airways, we help them to measure and capitalize on the customer's experience. We have a product called Feedback X, which is a platform that analyze customer feedback using the AI I just showed you. This is a winning product that won the Microsoft Hack the Future in 2020. In a nutshell, the product analyzes the feedback from all customer touchpoints and determine whether they are happy customer or unhappy customer. Happy customer will get an upsell. Unhappy customer will be apologized and then connected to the brand so that the human can come in and fix the problem. And of course, this platform is using the AI. So this is an example that I want to show you how AI is already being used in the business. The customer who using the system for the longest time had already reached 8 years. So we've been providing AI in the CX for almost 10 years now. So this is how AI helped transform the field of the customer feedback. In the traditional feedback, business will ask for feedback in the form of survey, but with the technology, with the AI, we can listen to their actual voice. And of course, it can be via typing. You already see example that it can be done via talking. So it doesn't matter what is the form. It's all unstructured data, and the AI is analyzing all unstructured data and produce into a meaningful business action, not just report, business action. Happy customer will get upsell. Unhappy customer will be handled. So this is how the AI help influence and improve the area of the customer experience management. And this is what I want to share with you today. Yeah. Any question? Feel free to ask.
So thank you so much, Mr. Sutipan, for those valuable insights and practical takeaways.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.
Okay, so thank you so
Yeah.
much, and wish you all have a good day. Thank you.
Thank you.
ขอบคุณนะครับ
And our partner, as you know, PSTC Academies have been partnered with AI Search since August 2025. Today, our partner will come and talk and have a presentation and the insight from AI Search they want to talk about today. Now we are pleased to invite our partner AI Search to share more about AI educations and certifications. Please welcome Mr. Askar Sharma, SME managers at AI Search, who will be presenting AI essentials and important foundation for anyone looking to understand and apply AI in their presentation journey.
Okay. Very good morning. Thank you, everyone. Thank you, Ataban. Thank you, Sutaban, and thank you, Dr. Chan. With that, it was a very, very insightful session till now. What I've seen, right? It's been a lot that to discuss yet. I hope I'm audible, right?
Yeah, we can hear you clearly. Yeah.
Yeah, great. Thank you very much. Let me share my screen because I'll be talking. I'm not taking much of your time, right? You had already been in a very insightful session. I'll just want to sum up how you can proceed further in the journey, what you had been already seen, that there is so much to be in the field of artificial intelligence. There's something, every field is interacted with the AI, right? So I'll just give you a glimpse about how you can proceed further with the help of AI certs in that journey, how AI certs can help you proceed into that, right? So let me share my screen.
Yeah, you can. I think you can share the screen. No need permission.
Okay, just let me
Yeah.
check. Let me know if it is visible. Can you see the slides?
Yes. Could you please enlarge it? Thank you.
Right, great. Thank you. So we are AI certs, right? We provide you the AI and blockchain role-based certifications. Okay. So as you had seen in this interesting webinar, that you have everywhere AI is there, right? It is there in some fields which you have not yet imagined, you know. So it is also revolutionizing those fields. And also in all those aspects where we had to do the work manually, the use of AI automation is there. You had seen so many examples, right? So just like robotic automation, and you had seen the example of recommendation system of Netflix as of now, right? There are so many examples of image detection, face detection. Everyone is using these apps. Every app these days is driven by artificial intelligence. You know it or not, knowingly, unknowingly, we all are using AI daily, right? Now, why not? It's time to adapt it professionally. Recognize yourself that you are using AI with some certification backed up to write it on your resume, right? So for all that, you can proceed further with the certifications. So that's a brief about AI Cert. So we are role-based organization, rule-based certification organization. We provide AI and blockchain certification. And if you are not aware about what role-based means, so the certifications which we provide are not the basic certification, that foundation of AI only and the foundation of machine learning. No, what do you mean by role based is when you know about the basics of AI. Now, there's a gap between knowing AI and applying AI in your own field. So, we are there to bridge that gap. We don't give you only the foundational knowledge of artificial intelligence, we provide you the knowledge how you can apply it in your own industry, in your own job role, right? Just like AI plus marketing, AI for developers, AI for healthcare, AI for legal industry, and so on. So you don't have to worry about how AI will be added into my field. In what aspects on in my job role I can apply artificial intelligence. For all those remedies, these certifications are there for you, right? You can choose whatever you feel like as your industry, as your domain, work domain, and you can proceed, right? As of now, we have 50 plus certifications across AI, blockchain, and emerging technologies. You can visit the website aisearch.ai and get to know about all these certifications. Okay. So again, why I want to talk with you is like about this thing. So you had seen so many advancements about AI in the presentations provided by our esteemed speakers, right? So it is not a one night, one day journey about learning all about AI, right? It is having different steps. Okay. So if you are having no understanding about AI, then there is something for you to at least step in the era of artificial intelligence. So that means like the very first step kind lot AI literacy, right? First you have to talk about AI literacy. if you have no idea what AI is and how it is impacting the different organizations, different industries. So that's the level you are in as of now. You should have some literacy about AI. So the certifications which we have, like AI Plus Foundation and AI Plus Everyone, are those certifications which make you AI literate, right? It doesn't mean that you need to stop over there. Learning never stops, right? We all know. Till the last breath of our life, we can learn, and that's the path we want to proceed further. So once you get the basic AI literacy through the basic certifications like AI Foundation that you will also get after this webinar, right? Then you can proceed further on to AI fluency. So what do you mean by now AI fluency? It's like that you have the knowledge of AI, what it is. Now you need to talk about how I can leverage AI in my industry. For example, right? You are in military, you are a doctor, you are a nurse, you are a healthcare administrator, or so many, right? Now it's about to be fluent in AI and apply. You start applying AI in your work, right? In your industry. So that's the next level about AI fluency, right? Now what's left? When you know everything, now you're applying AI in your field, you know about AI, what's left in there? So if you remember, there was a concept discussed in the webinar, it's called agentic AI, right? That's the next step in this AI world evolution. Now you are creating not only agents for automation, you are creating AI agents, intelligent agents, which can act based on some intelligent decisions, which can not only act, which can act intelligently. That's the next level talking about AI agents. So for that also, we are having the next level of certifications, which are called AI plus agents, and that too industry specific, right? We will be providing you the certification like AI plus sales agent, AI plus HR agent, AI plus marketing agent, AI plus legal agent. How in your field you can leverage the power of AI agents, which will provide you not only using the agents, and to create your own AI agents with the help of some very basic steps, which does not require any technical proficiency. All the details are there for you to explore just from very basic level to the next level of AI mastery. Right? That's the roadmap. That's the pathway we propose with our certifications at AI Search, that you can proceed from literacy of AI to mastery to AI, right? You can again refer to our website, that's aisearch.ai, right? Let me just show you a glimpse of that website. So this is our website, aisearch.ai, right? You can see over here, there are so many certifications. We have the essential certifications, which are not domain specific. Then we have industry related certifications, and the list you can see is so much. AI for project manager, AI for sales, marketing, writer, researcher, HR, finance, supply chain, legal, and real estate, and so on. AI for security, that's a separate portfolio we're having. AI for cloud, AI for developers, AI for healthcare, government, telecom, policymakers, AI for robotics and data related fields, AI for L&D, AI for design, and also blockchain related certifications. If you have interest in securing your aspects, securing your organization, securing your transactions, for all that purpose, we have this blockchain related certifications, right? So you can explore these sites and for these certifications. That's what I can say to you in this time, right? But again, that was great interacting with everyone as of now and listening to the esteemed speakers about the field of AI. I hope what I provided you, the insights of AI Search, might help you in proceeding further in selecting your journey towards AI literacy, right? So yeah, that's all from my side. Thank you very much.
So thank you so much, Mr. Oscars, for sharing the depth overviews and highlighting the importance of AI literacy.
Thank you.
Thank you. So now we're gonna move to the lucky draw. It's the time for the moments many of you have been waiting for. Or lucky draw. One lucky participant today will receive a free seat in the AI Foundation course. Let me show. Here is all the names is already right now in the chat box. I will like spin the wheel and we will know like who is the winners for the AI Search Foundation course. It's all about 8 people who write down the name. The winner is Mr. Thirawin Singha Prisha. Our admin gonna contact you after this webinar. So as we wrap up today's webinar, I'd like to as we wrap up today's webinar, I'd like to sincerely our guest speaker, Dr. Chan, with Mr. Sutipan and Mr. Uskas for sharing their expertise with us. And of course, thank you to all our participants for joining and engaging with us today. Before we close, I'm excited to let you know that PSTC Academy has made significant insightful webinar coming up on the topic of green building energy efficiency and sustainability on January 26th. And the second one, how data center can stay secure amid evolving cybersecurity threat, April 8, 2026 as well. We will be sharing more detail and registration links with you soon, so please stay tuned. On behalf of the PSTC Academy, thank you everyone again for being here, and we look forward to seeing you at our future sessions. Have a wonderful day ahead. Thank you so much.